When YouTube Studio is kind of tweaking right now, as you can see. I'm gonna do the live on a different account, but bro, cut. No, bro. Can I edit this? How can I edit this? Let me expand it a little bit. What? Let me go live. You better run. You better do it. You can't. Whatever, I guess. Since you want to be big back YouTube, I'm just closing you. I need to find the official Discord though, because that's what I've been searching for. Oh, crap. Crap. Whatever, I guess I'll do this. 1 minute 30 seconds till this bird is fried. Oh, hell nah. He better give us a W stock. Please be beanstalk. Beanstalk, beanstalk, beanstalk. Beanstalk! Stock! Who's leaving in the middle of the event, cuh? I want a bean. Stock! Stock! Just give me a beanstalk, please. Bro, the best thing I have in my garden, I think, is a cacao seed, bro. And then the fellow over there has like 7 beanstalks. Give me beanstalk, give me beanstalk, give me beanstalk. I don't know the Discord though, so like I can't join it. Maybe it's in the shop at the bottom? No, it's not. You better run, you better do what you can. He has 1 chance to save himself. Beanstalk. I know you're gonna be in stock, cause like, why would they tease it if you're not gonna be in stock? Beanstalk. 1 chance to save himself. He forgot his space. The owner of this game is dumb. And oh yeah, the bird's cooked. Bro, he gave us the most trash stock I've ever seen. He gave us the most duty stock ever. Gave me a beanstalk seed or like a grape seed. I don't want carrot seeds, bro. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What does that do? Why is the bird looking at me? Not cook the bird. He had his chance. Oh no, what's gonna happen? It's official. It's official. BBQ bird next week. Lamau. That's actually fun. Funny. Ha, that's actually kind of hilarious. BBQ bird next week. Yeah. 30. Put it right there. Damn. I'm gonna clear out my inventory. I'm just gonna unfavorite everything until a little bit. I'm gonna run a black hole? Nah, he's capping. This guy has to be capping. Yo, if you don't mind me, how many Robux I got? I might devious lick something from this guy. Radiohead? Ooh, your garden probably looks mad nice, bro. I might devious lick something from you. That would be kind of crazy, not gonna lie. Cook the bird. What do you mean cook the bird? What do you mean cook the bird? Oh no. Oh no, what do you mean cook the bird? This isn't not I don't think this doesn't sound good. I don't think this sounds good. But look at this coconut, cuh. You better do it, you kick. Damn, bro, wet chocolate coconut. I want to sell my inventory. And 62 mil. Bro, this bird gives us an L stock one more time. I actually am gonna like mass report the owner of this game's account. No, I'm playing. What is this? I think that's like where the cat is chilling. Follow the purrs. Where's the cat at? Where's Moon Kitty at? Follow the purr. I don't hear the purr anymore. He's on top of the tree. Oh no, there he is. Hi, Kenga. Moon Kitty. We got 8.5 player, 8.5 mil. Yes. Where's my percentage? Yeah, we're definitely gonna get to 10 mil. 35 more minutes. Bird, give us a W stock. This bird is... Ooh, this bird's an op. I mean coconut tower. Black hole is coming? No shot. No shot, black hole is coming. Nah, ain't no way. That's cap. That has to be cap. Cap. Capper alert. Big time cap alert. There is no black hole coming. He's probably gonna do it if we get to 10 mil. And I'm guarding my garden, bro. I'm not letting any of this stuff slide. I'm guarding my garden. Alright, I'm gonna cut when something interesting happens. 3 minutes into the black hole. Oh my god. I gotta check if my friends are online so I can join their server. Or call them. I got Roblox on my phone. Are they on? Yo, Brandon's on Forsaken? Nah, I gotta call him. I gotta tell him to get off and get on Grow Garden. Please, go through, call. Call, go through. Oh, yeah, no. When did this guy change to an Android? Are my texts? Why are my texts green? Brandon. I'm gonna call Wilbur on Discord. I'm gonna call Wilbur. 3 minutes, so I have 2 minutes and 7 seconds until the update. I'm gonna call Velocity. Join. Don't tell me this kid's not gonna join. Whatever. Still though, black hole. Admin abuse? Yo. I really liked a black hole. I think it's my... Yo, this gets dumb, bro. I don't know if that was a purpose misspell or, like... 31 more minutes until the update. I wanted the black hole, though. 1 minute until a black hole. There's no... Huh. Why are you sleeping there? There's not even any fruits there. This one bamboo? You gotta be joking, right? And you stupid as hell. God, why did I spend 100 mil on that cat, bro? You dumb as hell. Okay, continue with guarding my, I have a really cool Easter egg in this I have a really cool Easter egg this update. What will that, what will that be, bro? You better run, grr. I mean, what the Are people trying to stop the black hole? Like, are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. 2, 1. Probably about to happen. Nothing good in stock. Just do it already. Just waiting for this bird to leave. God damn it. How long until the night's over? For when the phone. There we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Everyone's. Come on. Oh my god. What is happening? Yo. Oh. No, my fruits. It's jump. It's here jump. 360. Mutate one of my fruits, please. That's cool. It's jumpy. 23. So let's just see that somebody's missing out on. I'm gonna jump off the top of my coconut. Oh my god, I'm entering. No, it didn't mutate none of my fruit. More to come. What do you mean more to come? Bye bye black hole, more to come. This update is so fucking trash. This update's like garbage, bro. Get over here, Owl. You want wise? Taco event. Tacos. Disco. Taco rain. Taco rain. Disco. can't say. Is it because it has dis in it? What?
It's raining
Hey, tacos all out of the sky. Tacos.
No need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos.
Mutate more fruits, please.
Tacos. All you can eat. Lettuce and shells. Cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. Yum, 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 yum.
Yo, I actually made it through that.
Yum, 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 yum. Bring your sour cream.
Please make more of my fruits disco.
Lettuce, cheese, shell, meat,
I got 3 discos here.
cheese, shell,
Make that disco.
cheese.
It's raining tacos. Raining tacos.
Should I do a thunder? Should I run a thunder?
Tacos.
Yeah.
It's raining.
Yo, run a thunder, run a thunder.
Raining tacos. Raining tacos.
Lettuce, cheese, shell,
It's raining tacos. Tacos.
Aw, man. Aw, man. Give everyone a candy blossom. What is that? Nah, there has to be something good in stock. Still nothing good. And this guy's admin abusing. This guy's admin abusing and there's not even anything good in shop, bruh. Oh my god, he actually shocked that one. Is it shocked? It's shocked and wet. It's fire. I'm gonna wait. No. Is every game updating to Sunday cut? Because Blue Lock Rivals, I think, is also updating. Because my friend plays it, and I don't. Oh, no. That updates in 3 hours. Yeah, I'm good. That updates in 3 hours. It's raining tacos. Da 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 to the sky. Tacos. It's hard to believe. Okay, I'm going to cut. See you in the next crazy thing. Yes, I'm posting it. So I'm playing a gardening game. You see? If you leave, you won't be able to read. Okay, I'm not touching the leave button. Not touching the leave button. Never will touch the leave button. So I have 3 big coconut trees. I have a huge dragon fruit, a lot of bamboo, mango tree. I have golden mangoes. I have moon mango. Yeah, I'm just the best. Could you plug this in? Could you plug this in? This. Yep, the humblest. Humblest, the best, the GOAT, better than everyone else. Yep, I'm the GOAT, bro. I'm just the GOAT, okay? Yeah, I'm the GOAT. Greatest of all time. God, I sound so egotistical saying that. Bro, chat. That was just a joke, bro. I'm not all that, bro. I have 300 and I have 154 mil. I'm not like that, bro. There's a guy who has like 20 set, like 1,000 times more than me at the top. So, chat, that was just a joke. I'm not all that. Is that moon mango? Oh, that's a moon blossom. I'm gonna run a black hole in 2 minutes again. But can you see my messages? Magic just says yes. So Landale, can you see my messages? Where's the Discord? I'm so scared we're making history today. We are. Seeds. Please give us something good for this event. Any game? Oh yeah, that's probably because when not Blocks Fruits. Was it Blocks Fruits? It was a game that updated and broke the record. I forgot what game it was though. Yo, how did somebody just join? Man, they probably had to wait in like a 25 queue. Okay, my laptop's charging. Scupper. Official Grove Garden server. What, did I spell that wrong or something? Trying to find the real one. Nah. Sure, actually. Sure. Damn, bro, he just responds to my messages. You'd say one of my fruits, please. Like Black Hole 5, one of my fruits. W name that guy has. I follow God. Fire name. I respect that name. While this is happening, I'm gonna try finding the official Discord. Not just these random ass ones. Bro, what's the official Girl Garden Discord? Okay, that has a couple stuff. Oh, I didn't mean to collect that. I meant to collect that. I still have a couple other ones. How much is a mint worth? Oh my god, just sleep next to the moon mangoes already. More moon melons, I don't mind that either. It's raining tacos all out of the sky. We hit 10 mil!
No need to ask why, just open your mouth Out in the street,
Cook the bird.
all you can eat. Lettuce and shells, cheese and meat.
Fry the bird.
Tacos, yum, 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 yum. It's like a dream. Yum, 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 yum. Bring your sour cream.
Shell. Meat. Lettuce. Cheese. Shell. Meat. Lettuce. Cheese. Shell. Meat. Cheese.
It's raining tacos.
All out of the sky.
Raining
Tacos.
Raining
Tacos. That bird is gonna cook. What am I, my chicken jockey hustler? I mean, what do you say?
Raining tacos.
Yo, how's he doing the Gangnam Style? Aw, man. Did I get any more discos? I got 0 discos from that, bro. Still though, fire. Seeds. Please, as a 10 mil present, give us a... I was gonna say, for a 10 mil present, can you please give us a beanstalk? Man, I can't believe it! You're getting 10 mil and you're still not giving us a good... Is this a regular one or an abusive weather? No, this is a regular one. The abusive one was spamming it. Oh, wait, maybe not. Yeah, no, this is a regular weather. This isn't one of the abusive weathers you get sometimes. Because last time there was an abusive weather, he just spammed thunderstorms and I got like a bunch of shocked stuff. You can see all the other people too. Also, you can just go back to that clip. Solo fire. Maybe let's load up Landell. Landell Roblox. That's the other one. Let's have that. I don't care how much. Making a tab. I tried to skip you too. Thank you for all the support. You're very welcome. This game's fire. Hope this update is good for the community. It definitely will. The abusing you did with the moderator to give us all the fire stuff. Yeah. Bro, he shocked like 20 of my things. Oh my lord. Tacos. I mean, it's raining tacos. Yes, cook the bird. Fry that bird. Bro, I don't care about the black holes. Dude, go to Vance. The black hole, all it did was make you jump a little bit higher. A lot higher, but still though. Yeah. It's raining tacos all out of the sky. Tacos. Yeah. Hoping at least 25 views on this video. Yeah, 25 sounds perfect. Yeah, 25 views. 25 views sounds absolutely perfect. Perfecto, you know, feel me? But yeah. selected something random. I don't even know what that was. Radiohead is rich, as usual, probably. Here comes a black hole. Please don't do another black hole. I beg of you. Do it. Raining tacos out of the sky. I'm about it. Oh my god. There's nothing good either. Bro, stop hitting the it's raining taco. I mean, start hitting the. Like, bro, this black hole, this game, you're trying to give good events. You try. Next week, this bird is gonna be fried. Landell, use your mic and stop typing. We all know you're tired. At 1-year-old, I retired. Lakers in 17. Lakers, my girlfriend is 5. Yup. Yahoo! I'm gonna go from here. I'm gonna jump from here onto my, I'm gonna jump on the beanstalk. Yahoo! Damn it, wait. Delete. Oh, never mind. I'm gonna go out. Seeds. Be good, please. Give me beanstalk. 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 Oh, I want to slap my monitor so bad. Oh, I want to punch it. But I can't, because I can't make videos for you amazing people anymore if I do that. Damn, bro, like everything I got. This is all shocked. Yo, I'm gonna wait a while to collect this right here. That's kind of booty. Can't believe I need to run an admin abuse, but what? I don't know, cuz. If he does one more It's Raining Tacos, I'm actually gonna yell. Bruh. Wait, no, this isn't a black hole, it is. Oh, it was the Pest Simulator X update, I think, or 99. I remember, because when I was like 8, I watched Creekcraft. No, not at 8. It's 10 now, so. A while ago. How about that? A while ago. I watched a Creekcraft stream in the Pest Simulator 99 launch, or was it the Pest Sim 99 update? Or was it Pest 6? Pet X? Pest Sim X. I forgot, honestly. It was one of those things. Damn it. What does that say? I don't know Spanish, low-key. Can't say on the fans and players, we have an amazing Easter egg for this update. Can the Easter... 5 minutes? Oh my god. Wait, I just realized I've been recording this for like... I've been recording this for like an hour already. I just realized I've been recording for like an hour. But all of my cuts make it like 30 minutes because all my cuts. And also because I separated this video into another one, this one right here. I separated them. I'm so nervous it won't run. Please! Nope. Please. Candy. Please, a candy blossom. Because I'm too broke to afford a candy blossom. And also I didn't play during that update. Bro, tell these kids to get on. I'm calling my Pookie. Ooh, that's op right there. Yo, that's op. He's an op.
It's raining
Raining
tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos out in the street. Tacos.
5 more minutes. Oh my god, I'm actually scared.
Lettuce and shells, cheese and meat. It's raining tacos. Yum, 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 yum.
I'm making this video for all the people who didn't get to play this event. Also, I'm doing a giveaway for a couple mangoes and some of the discos I get.
Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese, shell, meat, lettuce.
Yeah, I'm running a giveaway if anybody
shell,
just started the game. I'm running a
cheese,
giveaway for a
cheese,
couple
cheese,
mangoes
cheese.
and
It's
some and the
raining
disco some of the discos I get. Yeah.
Raining tacos. Raining tacos.
Oh, please don't crash my laptop. Oh, I'm praying.
It's raining tacos.
10. Oh no. Okay, like 4, 3, 2, 1, and nothing happened. Still tacos. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I don't know. Is imagine they just put like the cool kid borders. I'm scared. What could this update be? Oh, okay. Sorry, I dozed off. I was looking. I not dozed off. I zoned out. I was looking at my window. There's gonna be a. Oh, I see what they're gonna do. 3 minutes and 42. 3 minutes and 40. Okay, yeah. So when this timer ends, there's gonna be a night event. So probably something's gonna happen during that. I have like, damn, that's a big ass mint. And nightshade. I'm gonna wait for some of my. Oh no! Don't tell me they're gonna sell this game to Do Big. Imagine! Oh my God! No, that's. I swear to God, if they pop up with a thing saying Do Big Studios, saying this game has been bought by Do Big, I'm actually gonna crash out. I'm genuinely gonna crash out. Like on everything, I'm gonna crash out. Oh my God! No, that's actually. I don't want to think about that. How about that? 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Releasing the beast. Oh! Beast Swarm Simulator! It's not loading fully. Bee Swarm! Bee Swarms. I don't hear anything. I don't hear anything. How do you emote? Shadows of a pioneer of our blood. I'm probably like one of the first Girl Garden players. Like first to hit 1 billion or something like a. Releasing the bees in one. Okay, at the end they're gonna release the bees. See if I can get over there. Yo, low key. Let's see if I can get over there. Yo, what? I'm about to do my fire parkour skills. Okay, crap. Don't mind that, hustler. Okay. Ah. I have so much nerves. My hands are. I have so much nerves. My hands are shaking. Haha. Lamau. Oh, that was nasty. Excuse me. Lamau. 20 seconds. This is actually like 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Wait, no, did Beast Swarm buy this game? Nothing good. Pollinated? Is those Minecraft bees? What the hell? Nah, no, nah. Is that a Minecraft? Oh no, that's the Beast Swarm bee. What just happened? Nah, bro. Oh my god. Okay, I'll just give him the a bamboo and see how that goes. Oh, that bamboo is chocolate? Oh. I don't know if I want to give it to him. I don't want to pick up the coconut. I want to pick up the... Still works. Well, it became pollinated. I think it was another one of my mangoes. God, all my mangoes want to get pollinated now. I don't know why. Alright, just my mangoes. Oh my god, I have a disco mango! No, don't tell me if they pollinated my disco mango. That's just disco. Okay, where's the pollinated one? This got pollinated. So. Fired. Void touched. Oh shit, I think that's the black hole. I think that's from the black hole. I think the bees will give us better restocks now. Have any pollinated things? It's so hard to check, bro. Yo, how many things have stacked on this? What did that just say? No, don't. That's pollinated. My yacht mango is. What was it? I mean, I guess. Hey, I'm sacrificing right now. It's gonna take a while to compress. That's a big ass root. Never mind. Seeds, maybe there's good seeds. I saw that they restocked. Nothing good. Well, this is trash, cuz. Ah, that was a pretty fire update, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, everyone. I don't want to make this video an hour long. It's already 15 minutes long. See you guys. As always, have a good day. And please subscribe and like. Yeah.